Okay, can I throw it?
Hiding.
Yeah, want me to push you? Yeah.
Sorry, excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Sophie.
All right.
Okay. Okay, I'll push you. I'll push you softly. Don't go.
He's coming to find you, Sophie. Coming to get you.
Okay? Sophie, see?
He found you. Oh, he's gonna chase you now. Whoa!
Ow.
Uh-oh.
Ow. All right.
Yeah, she fell right on her butt. You okay? Wipe your hands.
She's kind of bleeding. She's kind of bleeding.
She's kind of bleeding. That's not good.
She's kind of bleeding.
Well,
Yeah,
if it's not gushing or hanging, then it'll be okay.
Weird. Time to go see. Stop, Alexa, come here.
Boom.